Brothers and sisters in Christ, Merry Christmas to all. Today, we celebrate the feast of the Holy Family, the family of Joseph, Mary, and the child Jesus. God willed the salvation be born within a family, which nurtured and guided until it became mature and could be offered to Him for the salvations of the whole world. Through the birth of His only Son, God sanctified human family. Despite weaknesses and failures, every family is called to be holy. In this Holy Mass, let us ask God for His blessings upon families around the world, that they may become sources of hope for everyone. Now, as one great family of God, let us all stand and worship God our Father.